Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change the app theme for your ShopPay application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your ShopPay application, and after opening the ShopPay application you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to select this profile icon into the top right corner. Select that and go to settings. Now after going into settings, you will directly get to see this option of appearance. Just simply tap to appearance, and now you will get this option of use system theme. Now in order to change the theme, you just simply have to disable it, and after that, if you have white, you just simply have to select this dark mode, and if you already have set into dark mode, you can select light mode. This way you can very easily change the theme or appearance of your ShopPay application. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.